मैं डिवाइन मनी रिकी एनर्जीज का आवाहन करती हूँ। सारे गुरुज, गाइड्स एंड मास्टर, सारे भगवान जी, ऑल गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस, सारे मनी देवास, उन सबका आह्वान करती हूँ। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। प्लीज कम एंड प्लीज ब्लेस ऑल माई व्यूअर्स। हम सब मिलकर इस समय बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि पृथ्वी का पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, पृथ्वी का पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन बढ़ाया जाए। जो भी नेगेटिविटीज चल रही हैं, डिस्ट्रक्शंस चल रहे हैं, वॉर चल रहे हैं, उन सबको पीस में कन्वर्ट करने का आपको भी एक मौका मिल रहा है। हम तो हमेशा ही करते हैं जब हम सामूहिक प्रेयर करते हैं। मेरे साथ आप भी करिएगा ज़रूर, प्लीज़, मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है। जब आप साथ में करते हैं तो इसकी ऊर्जा मल्टीप्लाई होकर और ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से काम करती है। बस ध्यान रखें, प्योरिटी के साथ पूरे दिल से ये प्रार्थना करिएगा। थैंक यू मदर नेचर, थैंक यू अर्थ, थैंक यू ऑल द हीलर्स जो हमेशा इस पृथ्वी की वाइब्रेशन को बढ़ाने के लिए मदद करते हैं। थैंक यू मदर यूनिवर्स, थैंक यू डिवाइन पॉजिटिव एनर्जी ऑफ मदर यूनिवर्स। प्लीज़ bless this earth. Please come and bless this earth. गोल्डन लाइट इमेजिन करें। जय श्री गणेश, हर हर महादेव। मैं सिंबल सेंड कर रही हूँ। आप इन्फिनिटी सिंबल या डॉलर सिंबल इमेजिन करके, जो आप जानते हैं वो इमेजिन करके पहले आप अपनी तरफ रिसीव करिए, या जो भी आपके देश की करेंसी हो, आप जो यूज़ करते हैं उसे आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं। जय श्री राम। अगर आप कोई भी मंत्रा जानते हैं लक्ष्मी नारायण जी का, तो वो भी आप प्रे कर सकते हैं, अपने मन में उच्चारण कर सकते हैं। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय का कर सकते हैं। ओम श्री लक्ष्मी नारायणाय नमः का कर सकते हैं। ओम श्री महालक्ष्मी नमः का भी जाप कर सकते हैं। जो भी बाधाएं हैं, जो भी ब्लॉकेजेस हों, इस एनर्जी को रिसीव करने के लिए वो सब रिमूव कर दिया जाए। May all the people who are viewing this, may all of them, all the divine pure souls, may all of them be blessed by this golden light positive energy. They are positively energized, happy, joyful. May they be successful, prosperous, filled with knowledge, skills. May they always follow the righteous path with honesty, discipline, time management, doing smart work. May they be abundant, wealthy. May they have abundance in all the aspects of their lives. May all the goals get manifested for the highest good of themselves and the highest good of everyone connected to them. May they have love, care, understanding, happiness, peace, harmony wherever they go. जो भी मेरे प्यारे प्यारे डिवाइन सोल्स हैं, सोल फैमिली हैं, और जो भी सोल्स हैं, डिवाइन प्योर सोल्स हैं इस धरती पर, उन सबको हमेशा सुरक्षित रखिएगा, उन सबको हमेशा अपनी छत्र छाया में रखिएगा प्रभु। उनके जीवन में कभी किसी चीज की कोई कमी ना हो। Now send this energy and repeat with me whatever prayer I say. Send this energy out from your environment. Maybe you are at your home or at your office. Let this energy move out and spread throughout your house, and may this energy stay with you and move with you wherever you go. This positive energy. May my divine soul family, divine pure souls, be divinely protected from all kinds of negativities, evil energies, evil kriyas, evil eye, black magic, and any kind of evil magics, evil kriyas. May they be divinely protected from all kinds of accidents, disasters, diseases, and infections. May they always be divinely protected. Let this energy move. May they become a money magnet. Let this energy move out to the streets. May all the people in the streets, in the area, be blessed with abundance energy, this pure energy. Imagine the golden light spreading from you to throughout the area wherever you are living right now. May the plants, insects, animals, may all of them be blessed with abundancy. May they stay in their respective habitats happily, joyfully, with abundancy, peacefully, harmoniously. Let this abundance energy move out and spread throughout your area, throughout your city, throughout your town or village. Let this energy spread and keep blessing. Let this blessing energy move and spread throughout your state, throughout your country, throughout the neighboring states, and to the whole country. May the whole country be blessed with abundance. Now let this energy spread to the soil. May the soil be filled with minerals, abundancy. Thank you. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you. Let it spread throughout the nature. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Mother Earth, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let it spread to the water bodies. Let every aquatic animals and anyone who are working in the oceans, in the water bodies, may all of them be blessed with abundancy. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let this energy spread to the skies. And the atmospheric And the atmosphere, let the atmosphere be healed. Any pollution is removed. Any pollution from the soil, from the water bodies, and from the air is vanished. Everyone is healthy, happy, healed, and energetic and abundant. May this energy spread through all the continents, throughout all the continents, and throughout the earth. The whole globe, whole earth is now in this golden light energy, shining in this golden light energy. Whoever is suffering from any disease, any infections are all healed. There is no disaster, no accidents. There are no diseases, no infections, no disabilities in this earth. Everyone is healed and everyone is abundant. All the children are able to study. All the youth and adults are able to work. All the families are abundant. All the animals, birds, insects, everyone is abundant. Trees, soil, water bodies, everyone is abundant. Imagine Lakshmanarayanji is showering their golden light energies from the universe to this earth. There is showering of the dollar, the currencies to each and every one of them. Everyone is having justice. All the work is noticed. They are rewarded righteously. Everyone is valued, respected for the work that they do, for the service that they do. There is a lot of innovations, positive innovations for the highest good of everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Lakshminarayanji. Thank you, Ganpati Bappa. Thank you, Saraswati Ma. May wisdom be spread throughout the world. May peace remain throughout the world. May harmony remain throughout the world. May everyone be abundant. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, God. Thank you, everyone who has prayed with me, along with me. Please bless them with immense, unlimited, and infinite abundance in their life and their family, their loved ones. Please bless them with abundancy. Thank you, Mother Universe. Thank you, Maniriki. Thank you, Divine Positive Golden Light Energy. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, all the healers. Thank you, all the gurus, guides, and masters who have worked earlier, previously, and who are present on this earth currently. Thank you to all of them. Thank you to all the upcoming future healers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all the ancestors of this earth. Thank you. Thank you all the angels. Thank you all the gods and goddesses throughout this earth. Thank you, Mother Universe. Thank you to all the divine positive energies. May any negativity present in this earth, may all of them be vanished. And everywhere let there be peace remaining, abundance remaining. Thank you. May let all of them live together happily. Love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. कोई भी गलती हुई हो हमसे, मुझसे या मेरे डिवाइन सोल्स से जिन्होंने मेरे साथ ये प्रार्थना की है, अगर उनसे कोई भी गलती हुई हो, भूल चूक हुई हो, उन्हें माफ़ कर दीजिए और उन्हें ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद दीजिए. थैंक यू माँ. थैंक यू प्रभु. वी लव यू. थैंक यू. कोई भी नेगेटिव कॉर्ड्स इस दौरान उनके तरफ अटैच हुई हो, उसे तुरंत ही रिमूव कर दिया जाए. लेट देयर themselves and their families be protected. Thank you. जय श्री राम, जय हनुमान, जय शिव शक्ति, हर हर महादेव.